Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat at naritong muli ang matinikatang musikero sa pangunguna ng inyong abang lingkod upang magbahagi na naman ng kaalaman sa larangan ng matematika. Ang ating lesson sa session na ito ay ating pinamagatang higher derivatives. At ito ngayon ang ating higher order derivatives bilang panimula. Ito po ngayon ang ating mga objectives. At the end of the chapter, the students would be able to calculate higher order derivatives, apply higher order derivatives in application problems. The derivative is the rate of change of function at a specified point. The derivative of the function f of x with respect to x at the point x sub 0 is the function f of x sub o prime which is given below. At siyempre, ito ngayon ang ating equation. F of prime of x sub 0 is equal to the limit of a function as h approaches to 0 at ang ating function, f of x sub 0 plus h minus f of x sub 0 all over h. Ang ibig sabihin, the derivatives other than the first derivative are called the higher order derivatives. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, hindi lang first derivative ang maaari nating mahanap. Pwede ring second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, and so on and so forth. Starting the lesson with a given function as shown below, ito ngayon ang ating function bilang panimula at unang halimbawa ng ating diskusyon regarding about higher order derivative. At ang ating function, f of x or y is equal to 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 5. Kung ating hahanapin ang first derivative ng ating given function is actually equal to f of prime of x equals 15x squared minus 6x plus 10. Sapagkat ang derivative ng 5x cubed is 15x squared, ang minus 3x squared naman is minus 6x, at ang derivative naman ng 10x is equal to 10. Ang derivative ng 5 is 0. And remember, yung mga napag-aralan natin sa ating basic differentiation process, ang derivative ng f of x is f of prime of x. At yan ang ating first derivative. Paano naman kung ipapahanap ang second derivative? So sa second derivative, hanapan lang natin ang derivative, ang ating first derivative. Ano nga ba ang derivative ng f of prime x? Ano ba ang derivative ng 15x squared, ng minus 6x, at ng positive 10 or plus 10? Ang derivative ng f of prime x is f double prime of x. Ang derivative ng 15x squared is 30x. At ang derivative ng minus 6x is minus 6. At ang 10 naman, dahil constant yan, ang value nito, ang derivative nito, is simply just equal to 0. At yan ngayon ang ating second derivative. Again, since this is still a function, so it can be differentiated again. This will be called the third derivative. Kapag nahanap natin ang derivative ng second derivative, tatawagin natin itong third derivative. Here is the derivative as well as the notation for the third derivative now. At yan ang ating third derivative. Dahil ang derivative ng f double prime of x is simply f triple prime of x. At ang derivative ng 30x is 30. While ang minus 6 naman, dahil constant ang 6, ang value ng derivative nito is equal to 0. At yan ang ating third derivative. F triple prime of x is equal to 30. Paano naman kung ipapahanap ang fourth derivative? Ang fourth derivative ng third derivative na f triple prime of x is equal to 30 is simply equal to f of x to the fourth prime is equal to 0 sapagkat ang derivative ng 30 as a constant is 0. At ang fourth derivative naman, ang ating third derivative na f triple prime of x is f of x to the fourth prime. Now, let us try another example. At ito yung ating illustrative examples ngayon. Find the third derivative of the function y is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 9. So, paano ba hanapin dyan ang third derivative? Siyempre, ating munang hahanapin ang first derivative ng ating given function. At ang ating given function, kailangan nating ma-rewrite y is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 9. At yan ngayon ang ating first derivative para sa ating given function. Y prime is equal to 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. Sapagkat ang derivative ng y as a function is y prime. Ang derivative ng x cubed is 3x squared. Ang derivative ng 4x squared is equal to 8x. Ang 5x naman is 5. And lastly, ang minus 9, ang derivative ng constant na 9 is 0. At yan ngayon ang ating first derivative. Ipinapahanap din ang second derivative at ito ngayon ang ating second derivative. Ang second derivative ng ating first derivative na y prime is y double prime. Ang 3x squared naman is 6x, ang 8x naman is positive 8, at ang 5 naman ang derivative dahil constant yan is definitely 0. At ito ngayon ang ating second derivative. Y double prime is equal to 6x plus 8. Ngayon naman ay ating hahanapin ang ating third derivative. Ano nga ba ang third derivative ng y double prime? I think y triple prime yan. Ano nga ba ang derivative ng 6x? I think 6. Ang derivative naman ng 8 dahil constant yan is 0. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kailangan lang nating balikan ang mga napag-aralan nating diskusyon or lesson sa ating mga previous lesson. Specifically, basic differentiation process. So yun ang kailangan natin dito ngayon sa ating given function. At ano nga ba ang ating third derivative in this situation? Ang ating third derivative, y triple prime is equal to 6. Bakit? Ang derivative ng y double prime is y triple prime. At ang derivative naman ng 6x is equal to 6, while ang 8 naman is 0 dahil ang 8 is actually a constant. Ngayon naman, isa pang halimbawa. Find the third derivative or f triple prime of x when x is equal to 3 ng ating given function na f of x equal to negative x to the 4 minus 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, mula first derivative hanggang second hanggang third derivative ay obligado nating mahanap. Siyempre, sisimulan na natin ngayon ang ating solution process. Solve for the derivative of the function thrice, then, ibig sabihin, thrice tayong mag-aanap ng derivative given this function. Siyempre, magsisimula tayo sa ating first derivative. Ang first derivative ng ating given function, ang f of x is f of prime of x. Ang derivative ng negative x to the 4 is negative 4x cubed. Ang derivative naman ng negative 4x cubed is negative 12x squared. Ang derivative ng negative 5x squared, negative 10x. How about 3? 3 is a constant, therefore the derivative is 0. At yan ngayon ang ating first derivative. F of prime of x equal to negative 4x cubed minus 12x squared minus 10x. Let us now proceed to the second derivative. Ito ngayon ang ating second derivative. Ang derivative ng f of prime x, f double prime of x. Ang derivative ng negative 4x cubed, negative 12x squared. Ang derivative naman ng negative 12x squared is negative 24x. Ang negative 10x naman is negative 10. At yan ngayon ang ating second derivative. Paano naman ang ating third derivative? Ang ating third derivative, f triple prime of x equal to negative 24x minus 24. Bakit? Ang derivative ng f of double prime x is f triple prime of x. Ang derivative ng negative 12x squared is negative 24x. Ang negative 24x naman is negative 24. Ang negative 10 is 0 dahil constant yan. At yan ngayon ang ating third derivative. Ngayon naman, maaari na nating mahanap ang value ng ating f triple prime of x when x is equal to 3. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong definite value para sa ating third derivative. Ano nga ba ang paraan na gagawin natin? Substitute x is equal to 3 to the third derivative of the function. So with respect to x, lahat ng x, papalitan lang natin ng 3 sa ating given function sa ating third derivative. Substitution process, f triple prime of x equal to negative 24x minus 24. Now equal to negative 24 times 3 minus 24, and that is actually equal to exactly negative 48. At yan ngayon ang ating f triple prime of x is equal to negative 48. Yan ngayon ang value ng ating third derivative kapag ang x nito is equal to 3. Thank you and God bless us all. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong matinikatang musikero na nagsasabing mabuhay ang bawat kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.